I'm just gonna get the air filter out of this thing. It's a K&N air filter, it needs re-oiling. Cleaned it off by tapping it out and then running it under a tap a little while ago. Had a day or two to dry now. It's okay, it's clean. I don't know if you can see that even. It is clean. Ooh, the lens isn't, but that is. So now it needs to be oiled. It can't just be like that. I'm just gonna get some cheap gear oil that I've got left over, and I must have a syringe. I had a syringe somewhere, an old syringe, like the type you do babies Calpol with. Gonna put a bit of the gear oil into the lid. Ooh, more than enough. I'm gonna suck that up in a syringe. Could have chosen a better moving syringe, I think. I think quite a lot of oils do this. It just needs to be wet. Then I'm just going to run. Oh, okay. Then I'm just going to run down. Yeah, I think I should have chosen a syringe. Just moving a bit smoother than this one. This one isn't great. I've heard of people doing this with like spray on, like Fried Light and all those sorts of cooking oils. And you can see the top half still dry, now the bottom half's starting to get a bit oily. You probably just do it with your finger, could you? Yeah, I think that's probably an easier way of doing it. Yeah, I think that's better. Ladle it onto your finger and go up and down the thing. It just needs to stop the thing going in, the dirt going into it, that's all. No point spending a fortune on the K&N kit. Alright, well that's it, sort of oiled now. It's oiled on both sides. To be honest with you, probably a bit over oiled. I've got oil on all the rubbers and all the places where I don't flip when I want it. But I'll give that a bit of a dry. Listen, it's better than it was. It was chock-a-block with flies and bits of leaves and all sorts of things. It was absolutely manky. So tapping it got most of it out, and then running it under a powerful tap got the rest of it out. And that's the best you can do really, is just give it a bit of a clean out, get the heavy stuff out, wash it off, re-oil it, and that'll be as good as any K&N kit, unless you've got money to burn. And it's a 300 quid car, what's the point of spending 30 or 40 euro on a K&N kit? Whack it back in the car. That does need to pop down inside. That'll do. Back on. Alright.